We propose a wearable device to induce the perception of strong wind without using actual strong wind. The device replicates the fluttering of clothes in strong wind using a motor and a mechanism. We hypothesized that by vibrating the clothes as if in strong wind, the perception of wind velocity would be enhanced. We generated clothes vibration by shaking the fabric using a motor and a link mechanism. We conducted 2 experiments to verify whether the clothes vibration device changes wind perception. In experiment 1, we compared the combinations of the presence or absence of clothes vibration and wind velocity. The participants experienced the reference wind and the comparison wind according to the condition and compared the 2 wind experiences. In experiment 2, we compared the combinations of the clothes vibration and visual scene of the clothes of the avatar flutter. The experimental procedure was similar to that of experiment 1. The participants wore a head-mounted display, experienced wind, and danced within the VR environment.